Did you know 3ds Max has powerful modeling features that most users never use? Here are 10 underrated tools that can save you hours. Instead of using multiple tools, Hinge From Edge rotates and extrudes polygons in a single operation, making hard surface modeling faster and more precise. Need to edit your model without ruining the UVs? Enable Preserve UVs before modeling, and your texture will stay in place while you modify the geometry. Selecting flat surfaces? By Angle automatically selects connected polygons based on their angle, saving a lot of time. Tired of accidentally selecting geometry behind your model? Enable Backface Selection to edit only the visible polygons or vertices for faster and more precise modeling. Stop placing vertices one by one. Freeform Tools let you create clean geometry directly on any surface, saving you a lot of time during retopology and modeling. Most users only use copy or instance, but there's a third option called reference. It lets you update the original model while keeping unique modifiers on each clone. It's perfect for creating multiple variations without remodeling everything. After inserting edge loops, use Set Flow to restore smooth curvature and improve your topology instantly. Instead of moving every vertex manually, use the Conform Brush. It lets you push geometry directly onto another object's surface, making retopology and surface modeling much faster. Instead of moving the object's pivot permanently, use Working Pivot. It's a temporary pivot that gives you much more control when modeling. Instead of moving vertices freely and ruining your model, use constraints. Edge, face, and normal constraints keep your edits aligned with your geometry, making modeling much faster and cleaner.